The following video contains scenes that is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, you don't know this is the Dancehall, you see. Now there is a video circulating on social media right about now that shows two St. Catherine Municipal Police in a physical altercation with a bus operator, or should I say a bus driver. You see me? This video raises a whole lot of questions and I'm going to point out a few clues that might answer some of these questions, you see me? And this video actually takes place in St. Catherine, Jamaica. Now, I am about to show you this video, but before I show you this video, I have to warn you that some of the scenes in this video, it is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? Observe. Alright, so there you have the video that is on social media of a municipal police and a bus operator having some form of feud or altercation, you know what I mean, right? Now, there's a lot of questions behind this video and I'm going to point out the question and I'm going to show a little clue towards these questions that is being asked, because you know there's been a lot of things in it that is not confirmed. Now, one is that persons are speculating where this actually takes place. As I mean, some people say that it is at Bayside, some people say that it's in the country, and some people says that it's at Spanish Town bus park, which in majority of the people said that it is at Spanish Town bus park, to be honest. As I mean, now here's the clue that I'm going to point out. If you look on the side of the van, you can see the St. Catherine Municipal Police sign. So you can narrow it down that this actually takes place in St. Catherine, right? And Bayside and Spanish Town Bus Park are in St. Catherine, right? Now the next clue is that on the bus shed, there is a sign that says on it, or marking I should say, that is on it, that says Ocherios, and one says Montego Bay. They are side and side. So that means that these buses that are at that shed is routed from Ocherios and Montego Bay. So most likely, right? Most likely this is Spanish Town Bus Park, right? You know what I mean? But as I said, the things that in this is not confirmed. I'm just merely pointing out the clues for you to get a better understanding and so forth. I see me. The next question that is being asked is who was wrong? In this video, you could actually hear a lady said that the municipal police hit the driver first. However, on social media, some persons are saying that some people have no respect for the law. So there I leave it with you, my viewers and subscribers, for you to take a look at this and tell me what you think. You know, this video is hot on social media right about now, and you know that I always keep you up to date and posted with what's going on in and around the world, especially of Jamaica and the Dancehall. So if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think, and sometime you can read the comments as my viewers and subscribers will leave some comments that is very informative, and sometimes I myself will leave a comment to keep you up to date pertaining to the video that I've presented to you, my viewers and subscribers as well. Alright, my name is Dancehall. Big up on yourself. You see it.